Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we talk all about smart nutrition for better health. So, you just had your wisdom tooth removed and now you're staring into your fridge wondering, what can I actually eat? It's a common question, and getting it right can make a huge difference in your recovery. In today's video, I'll guide you through the absolute best foods to eat after a wisdom tooth extraction, what you definitely need to avoid, and I'll share some pro-healing tips to get you back on your feet as quickly and painlessly as possible. After a tooth extraction, your mouth is incredibly sensitive. Think of it as a delicate construction site where your body is working hard to repair itself. The wound needs time to form a protective blood clot and begin the healing process. Eating the wrong foods can be a disaster. It can cause sharp pain, trigger bleeding, or even lead to a painful infection. That's why for the first few days, soft, nourishing, and easy-to-chew foods are going to be your absolute best friends. They provide the nutrients your body needs to heal without disturbing the sensitive area. So let's dive into the good stuff, the foods that are gentle, healing, and packed with nutrients. First up, we have smooth soups and broths. A warm, not hot soup like chicken broth, a creamy pumpkin soup, or a smooth vegetable puree is perfect. They're incredibly soft, they keep you hydrated, and they're loaded with vitamins and minerals. Next, think comfort food, mashed potatoes or porridge. They're soft, easy to swallow, and feel satisfying. You can add a little milk or butter for some extra calories, which you'll need since you might be eating smaller portions. Another fantastic option is smoothies and milkshakes. You can blend soft fruit like bananas or mangoes with yogurt or milk to create a delicious and nutritious meal. But, and this is a huge but, do not use a straw. The suction can dislodge the blood clot that's protecting your wound, leading to a very painful condition called dry socket. As you start to feel a bit better after a day or two, you can introduce scrambled eggs. They're rich in protein, which is essential for tissue repair, and they're super easy to chew. And of course, there's yogurt, especially Greek yogurt. It's cool, creamy, and soothing on the sore area. Plus, it's packed with protein and probiotics that can support your immune system and aid in the healing process. Now, just as important as what to eat is what to avoid. For at least a week, you need to stay away from certain foods to protect the extraction site. First, no crunchy or hard foods. That means no chips, no nuts, no popcorn, and no hard toast. These can easily get stuck in the wound and cause irritation or infection. Second, avoid spicy foods. Things like chili or hot sauce will seriously irritate the sensitive area and cause a lot of unnecessary pain. Also, stay away from overly hot foods and drinks. Extreme heat can dissolve that crucial blood clot and delay your healing. Finally, it's best to avoid alcohol and caffeine as they can slow down your body's recovery process. And remember my warning about straws. It's so important, I'm saying it again. No straws, just sip directly from the cup to keep that healing clot safe and sound. To really speed up your healing, let's talk about some extra nutrition tips. Hydration is key. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to help flush out toxins and support your body's natural healing functions. Try to incorporate foods rich in vitamin C, like in your fruit smoothies, and zinc, found in foods like eggs and yogurt. These nutrients are superstars when it comes to tissue repair and fighting off infection. Instead of trying to force 3 large meals, eat smaller, more frequent meals throughout the day. This is less stressful on your jaw and ensures you're still getting enough energy. And don't forget to rest. Avoid any strenuous workouts or heavy lifting for a few days to let your body focus all its energy on healing. To make it even easier for you, here's a simple, soft food plan for your first couple of days. For breakfast, you could have some warm oatmeal or a blended banana smoothie. For lunch, a gentle vegetable soup with a side of mashed potatoes. If you need a snack in the afternoon, a cup of yogurt or some pudding is a great choice. And for dinner, you could have some soft cooked rice with scrambled eggs or a pureed vegetable mix. This plan keeps you full, nourished, and on the fast track to healing. So, to recap, stick to soft, smooth, and cool foods. Completely skip anything crunchy, spicy, or too hot, and make sure you stay hydrated. Your mouth will definitely thank you for it, and you'll find your healing journey is much faster and more comfortable. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another one of our nutrition tips. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What's your go-to soft food after any kind of dental work? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.